For UFO researchers like Chris Jones, one place symbolises decades of government secrecy.
We're standing in front of the back gate for Area 51 out here in the middle of the Nevada desert, where many believe that reverse engineered extraterrestrial craft are also tested and stationed in this base. This would be ground zero for activity regarding the U.S. government's involvement in the phenomenon and the technology.
The secrets of Area 51 are likely to remain just that. But the US government is at last beginning to answer questions about what it knows and what it doesn't.
The UFO community in general feels that the government's acknowledgement of the phenomenon is a validation of years of their efforts to disclose what's going on. Yes, there's something out there. No, we don't know what it is, but it's worth looking into.
Well, if there's look at that thing. It's rotating.
The US government admits it can't say whether these are extraterrestrials or not. The one known as the Tic Tac was filmed by a US Navy crew. One of them says national security is just one concern.
I feel that I was pulling something out of the future in some way, that there was an echo about this. This was not just another flock of birds or a balloon or swamp gas. We knew that this was a craft that was outstripping our arsenal, and that was in 2004. So I did feel it was historical then. Now I'm positive of that fact. But I think that there's even more out there that we need to see and understand.
But those who've been to space say a man-made explanation is still more likely.
The government has said that there's no evidence that these are alien spacecraft, and I still don't believe they are. And I still don't believe we've been visited by alien spacecraft, simply because although I think there's life elsewhere in the universe, the distances are so vast that I don't think we'll ever find each other.
But the man who fought for greater government openness says there's no going back now.
This goes back some 70 years. We know initially the government did everything they could to cover it up. I think that the new technology we have has made it more difficult for government to deny what's going on. And the government's got to be part of it. They can no longer be part of a cover-up. They've got to be transparent in everything they do.
In the desert stand the landmarks to an enduring fascination, attractions for those curious for answers. In the Area 51 postbox, they leave messages and popcorn for any alien visitors. Will we ever know for sure if they have been contacting us? Greg Milam, Sky News, Nevada.